the name of the place is Calis. Okay, Calis Place. So, sabi nila is only for at least 1 year pa lang siya. So, as you can see, yun yung daan papunta ng Northern Hills or pababa, Tumakabulos, okay? And this is West Community, so malapit na lang. Okay, so upon entry, before going to the congregating area, meron siyang parang mini grocery here. And then, ito yung may patio. And I don't think na pwede tawagin na gazebo to, okay? And then, ayun, yung party place. Dun sa likod is yung swimming pool. So there are 2 pools, one is for kids and one is for adults. We'll try it later. So here are the cottages. See, so there's the pools, one for kids and one for adults. Okay, so as you can see, ganda ng mga cottages dito, ganda ng upuan. Okay, oh, may foam. Okay, so di lang parang basta kubo-kubo lang. Okay, so iba-iba. It could accommodate different persons. Actually, the whole place was reserved for us here. Okay, so ito yung pool. And going down. Okay, so here you could cook. Ayan, okay. So and then here are the restrooms. Tingnan natin yung restrooms. Oh, lalim niya, oh. Okay, so dan muna ako dito. So if you're in the pool, siguro mamaya tingnan natin. Parang nasa infinity. Parang infinity pool siya. Okay, so this place is called Calis. Okay, so yan, may pababa siya rito. Anyway, may stairs naman, no? So para medyo delikado. Lalim. Okay, so going back. Bagong dating po, yan, si Mama Lu, si Alvin, saka si Aaron.